More reviews equals more sales. Here's how Walmart's Review Accelerator helps you get them fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So first, you're going to log into Walmart Seller Center, and then you're going to go to your Growth and Review Accelerator. And you're in the top right corner, there's a button to click Enroll Items. Click on that, and then enroll your items for reviews, right? So you're going to see, once you click that button, some items that you're eligible to enroll for reviews. So right now, here's a little plush, right? $14.99, and you can set the target amount of reviews. You can get 5, 10, 15, or 20 reviews. So it's completely up to you, right? So if you want to start small, right, because the incentive amount, it's $5. And then if you're ready to enroll, you just click Enroll Items. And then you can click confirm and then enroll it into the program. And what this is going to do pretty much is, where you can see the cost per review is $10. So it does cost $10 per review, which isn't too bad, right? And then it's pretty much every time somebody purchases your product, then Walmart's going to try to incentivize them and give someone $5 for leaving a review. And then once they leave a review, you get charged $10. And here's the total cost. Not too bad, of course, but if your product isn't showing up, there is on Walmart guidelines, and pretty much it's based on the amount of customer reviews you already have. Like if you have too many, then you're not going to be eligible for the program. If you don't have a lot of available inventory, so if you've been selling out like for 30 days, you sold out, you're trying to get back in, you sold out, that's not good. They want to have consistent amount of products available. You want to have a consistent amount of sales. So if you're getting like one per day for 30 days, then your product should show up. Same with inventory. If you're in stock every single day for 30 days, then after 30 days, your product should show up and be eligible for the Review Accelerator, right? And you can also, it's based off of page views and published status. If your product is going off and on, like error, unpublished, then republished, right? Again, it needs to be consistent and published for 30 days straight, and then projected. So you can run some tests, some Walmart ads to help boost that. But again, a lot of this is going to be off of the last 30 days. So just try to keep it at the basics. Now you can also become a pro seller. And if you do become a pro seller, they give you credits most of the time. So you can see the Review Accelerator credit. We get $150 in credits. So that review right there, it costs us $50, but it's actually going to be free because we have a Review Accelerator credit. So you can go to Growth Pro Seller and get a Pro Seller badge. And then all that, what I just discussed, all the costs are actually free. If your products still aren't eligible, there's also BazaarVoice. So you can just type in Google BazaarVoice Walmart reviews. And it's going to be the second link to optimize your ratings and review strategy on Walmart. They have like a partnership with Walmart where it's almost the same exact thing. So you give away your product, and then BazaarVoice finds people to take the product, and then they leave a review on Walmart. And the reviews do show because they have a partnership with Walmart. So this is another way if you wanted to get more reviews. They've got a lot of different strategies, so you can reach out to BazaarVoice. And I have used them in the past, and they work extremely well, right? But when it comes down to Walmart, reviews aren't that important. But if you have no reviews compared to one review, that one review will make a difference. So make sure you are getting some type of reviews on Walmart, even though it doesn't have as much of a big impact compared to Amazon. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to be fully managing your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, getting you more reviews, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend time expanding your business while we're the ones helping you with the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.